Good afternoon, this is my Shaman Oracle reading for this Wednesday. Today is December the 27th. And yeah, Christmas is over, but one more big event is coming up, New Year's Eve. But before that, I like to read today for Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer. And this reading here is for Gemini. Welcome, Gemini. The reading starts with the magical Nordic tarot card. Out for you came Charity. And the Charity card of this deck relates to the Goddess Freya. She is thought to have had a magical necklace known to make her irresistible to men. The card Charity depicts the image of one of the most sacred animals in the Nordic mythology, namely a blue cat. Synonymous with the goddess of love and beauty, Freya, who is thought to have traveled in a chariot pulled by cats. Felines were highly prized by ancient Nordic people who believed that the cats had been given to Freya as a gift from Thor. She loved them so much that they soon became her favorite companions, leading to them becoming a Nordic symbol of giving and of kindness. Keywords of the card are giving, kindness, compassion, and independence. The card's meaning is that Charity is a card of compassion and of self-care, like a cat, well known for its independence. This card encourages you to rely on yourself rather than others for the love and the nurturing that you seek. Acts of kindness, both to yourself and to others, are essential now. Gifts and thoughtful gestures from others are equally likely, and your intuition may be heightened, and your desire to paint or to write may be strengthened as well. And days spent alone will recharge your energy. This card can also signify the need to spend time with some animals. The Mythic Goddess Tarot card that came out is Diana, the Chariot. And she says, I have the power, no obstacles can stop me. Keywords of the card are determination, willpower, and direction. The Roman goddess Diana is a huntress, known as a rebel goddess with a spirit of independence. Diana was associated with slaves, with immigrants, and those living on the margin of society. So the meaning of the card relates to success. Right from the moment Diana drew breath, she had to fight and take charge to help her mother and her brother survive. Diana is with you now, offering strength and confidence to help you overcome challenges and triumph whatever the odds. You are striving to achieve your goals, and you can do exactly that, but you must maintain focus, determination, and a certain boldness, and even some stubbornness. The solution to the seemingly unsurmountable is within you, even if your personality is on the gentle side. It is time to show your teeth. We shouldn't fear being competitive and ambitious, is the message. Courage and grit are within you, so take charge of your own destiny. With the right attitude, you can win. The psychic tarot card that came out is Triumph, and the power of your soul is pushing and nudging you steadily forward. Whether you are setting new goals, developing new ideas, or planning a journey, it is essential that it is carefully thought out. When you tap into your inner guidance and balance it with self-control, hard work, and perseverance, it is likely to manifest a triumphant outcome. It is time for you to be single-minded and focused on the end goal. So visualize the successful results as if it were happening right now. When you have achieved what you set out to do, your ability to meet other life challenges will be significantly increased. When you try to move forward without balance, direction, or guidance, it is easy to slip off your intended path and be drawn away from your desired goal. Now is not a time to let go or allow the river of life to pull you in its current, as you can so easily lose control. So grab your oars, grip them tightly, and steer carefully toward your highest aim or destination. The Triumph card reminds you that you do not have to be alone with all of life's ups and downs and the challenges that face you. This is a time to tap into the powerful knowledge of others, as well as to use the inner resources that are within you. And this card here, the Triumph card, relates to the traditional tarot archetype card, which is the Chariot. And you already got the Chariot before that. That's amazing, right? So, next card is the Goddess Power card. And that one is Mama Killa. Mama Killa relating to the moon. And the empowerment message of the card is that Mama Killa, she is the Incan goddess of the moon. She presides over the power of cycles and of seasons. The moon rules the night sky, returning full 13 times in a year. The ancients, they marked time by the moon to know when to plant, when to harvest, when to store food, and when to celebrate fertility. Right now, you are invited to see what is familiar and decide whether you need to improve on it or leave things as they are. The answer to your inquiry can be found in the timing of things and the cycle you are in. You can apply the idea of natural cycles to relationships, creative projects, personal growth, and much more. If you are honest with yourself, you will see that there is no way to control these cycles, only to use the creative energy they offer to help you out. If your relationship is unclear, yet brimming with potential, you might turn to the new moon energy that shows up in the spring cycle of life. In that case, you just need to allow the relationship to grow naturally and be clear in your intentions. When your outer world seems to be slowing down, with obstacles rising up and temporarily blocking your every move, do not put up a resistance. Instead, take advantage of the need to rest and to recalibrate your intentions as you wait for the cycle to change. No matter what, like the cycles of the moon, there is divine order in everything that is happening in your life right now. Once you know this, the goddess Mama Killa welcomes you to her divine moon dance of co-creation. There is an alignment message. Sometimes you feel out of sync with life. You might be frustrated that the universe isn't providing you with what you desire. Do you want what you want, exactly how and when you want it, and feel like the great goddess is ignoring you? You may be wanting something to happen faster than it is meant to occur. So remember, the conditions of your life, they are temporal and ever changing. Maybe you have just been unaware of the cycle that you are in, and so you have been missing the signals. The moon goddess Mama Killa knows the cycles intimately, and she will let you know when it is time for the next phase. Mama Killa is always on track with the cycles of creation, and you must trust this wisdom. Her alignment task for you is to recognize and work with the natural cycle you are in. You will be amazed as alignment with the rhythm of the universe allows you to once again co-create consciously and surrender to life on life's terms. What a beautiful dance when Mama Killa offers you her support. The Priestess of Light Oracle card that came out is Sacred Breath and Sound. It's about life force and communication. This priestess of the breath of life brings the light of the dolphin to you. This important totem has long been a symbol of the life force embodied in breath, movement, and sound. This card is telling you to bring the dolphin's easy flowing pattern to the breath of your life force at this time. Healing is available to you now on both the physical and the personal levels. Deep breathing can relieve stress, initiate and accelerate healing, and raise the resonant vibration of your chi or life force. So if there is a physical issue or a personal pattern you want to resolve, spend some time in deep breathing and meditation and let yourself feel the fluid, peaceful influence it brings to your body and your life. Another sacred energy heralded by this card is the resonance of sound. Dolphins have a special way of communicating, sending out clicks, and responding to their reverberations. So this card is calling your attention to how you communicate with yourself and others. The aqua blue colors on the card reinforce the importance of this message, vibrating with the energy of the fifth or throat chakra. It is your source directive to honor your self-expression. If you find it difficult to speak up, start by venting your difficult feelings in a journal. This healing process leads to a greater courage of expression in the future. Say this affirmation: I breathe deeply and express myself. My sound and my breath, they are sacred to me. And the last card is from the Sacred Destiny Oracle deck, and out came Security. And when this card comes up in your reading, know that all is well, so relax. You are in safe hands, and those you love are safe as well. This card relates to the safe cave or your safe home, the shelter from all weather conditions, may it be a storm, heavy rain, or heat. It is a safe place to prepare food and where to find a place for rest and for sleep. This is a protection from the outside forces and from enemies who shall not enter your refuge. So is the message of the card: relax and know that all is well. That was the reading for you, Gemini. Thank you very much for listening. I wish you a beautiful rest of this week. Take care and goodbye.